Hey guys, just wanted to make a video showing you not only this new product here called the Cooking Video Firesale, but also showing you how I'm going to be using it. And so here's the page. This is the download page. Inside of here, you've got your 300 cooking videos. And if we open that up here, you'll see it's in a Google Drive. And you got all these videos that are in here that you can download, which I've already done. In fact, I've downloaded these and the upsell, so I've literally got about 1,400 of these videos now. But along with these videos, you get some ebooks, which is nice, and you get your license, of course. You get 850 cooking articles, so if you need to market these using articles, you've got those in here. 300 recipes that you can use. You've got cooking stock images. And then you got all the downloaded materials here, like the sales copy, the customer sales video, the professionally designed graphics, the animated banners for advertising, the professional mini sites, customer swipes, and the legal pages that you need. Plus, you've got your contact information here if you need help with anything. And so that is the front end of this product. As far as the back end, they do have the upgraded one, which I have that as well. 1,100 more cooking videos. That's why I have 1,400 of them, and you can download those right here. You got 30 more ebooks. You got your license. You've got 10 healthy foods recipes, 3,900 recipe pictures, and then down here you've got all of your materials again for the upsell. So the swipes, the graphics, the videos, etc. Plus any bonuses that they have would be in there as well. So you can download all of this. And let's see, they got anything else in there? Just the affiliate and the contact information. But I've already downloaded these, which you can see right here. So get rid of that. There it is. This is what I'm looking for right here. So inside of here, you'll see I've got, these are the cooking videos, and you can see I've got just a ton of those. Like this one here is a baked Hawaiian sandwich one, which makes me hungry. So these are those, just those kind of nice little recipe quick cut deals, and you post these onto social media. Very, very popular. I see them all over the place. These, not this exactly, just in general. But take a look at all the cool stuff in here. Make sure you do all that. Honey mustard, mix it all up. Hawaiian buns. There we go. So you get the idea. And there's, like I said, there's just a ton of the. Ooh, here's a chili one. There's our ingredients. Nice. So you can see, just nice little cooking videos. And these are great because they don't have any voice in them, which is intentional, because you want people to be able to follow along when you have the sound off, which, to be honest, people have the sound off 50-60% of the time anyway. So these are just nice little viral style videos you can put out there. So you get the idea. And so what we're going to be doing with these is we're going to be putting them onto some of our pages as just more viral content, because, I mean, we post a lot of quotes and, today is pepperoni pizza day and stuff like that, little health things. But this is just kind of fun. It's video, so it's going to get a little bit more attention just by the fact that it's video. But you can take these and you could bring them into your video editor, and you could add, like for this one here, you could put your information at the bottom of this if you wanted to, just to check on the videos to make sure it fits in those. And then, of course, you could put at the end, we can put a Loganville news and events thing on there. I don't necessarily know if we really need to do that, but you can certainly do that to brand these. Quite honestly, I just want it to have new content for people to pay attention to. But considering you get all the other stuff in here too, like the ebooks, so like you can see like this ebook here, I mean, very well written. You could be giving away these ebooks. So you could be posting a video of one of the recipes out there and then give away some of these ebooks to collect emails and whatnot. And we may do some of that. But for today, what I'm going to be doing is just putting the video out there. But you got the 10 more of them over here, the 10 healthy recipes Yummy for your tummy. So you can see, very cool. Get people to download those. And, you know, you could just start collecting emails this way. I mean, what you can do on Facebook, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to post one of them just, you know, randomly, so that we've got some content in here. But you could put in here, you know, oh, by the way, you can download our free recipe guide just by clicking here, collect their name and email, and boom, now you've got their name and email on file that you can use for marketing other things in the future. For now, I'm just going to post one of these out here. So I'm going to hit the photo video deal, and we'll just find one of these in here, if I can remember where I stored them. There they are. So let's just find a cooking video here. Avocado spinach dip, avocado apple cinnamon toast. Interesting. Apple cinnamon toast. Why not? So just drop that in here and say, here's our recipe of the day for apple cinnamon toast. Okay. And then, like I said, you could, you know, if we wanted to put this, send it to a download page where people can put in their name and email for an ebook or whatever, we could add that in here. But right now, I just want to do this for content, you know, and then I'll say something like, be sure to share this, okay? Because the reason we want people to share it is if they share this out, it's going to say it's from Loganville News and Events. Hopefully people will come back from that. And so we'll let these guys kind of promote us with that. Now, you could also use something like Up Viral, where, you know, they get points towards something for sharing it, which would also be kind of fun too. But in this case here for today, we're going to keep it simple. And I'm just going to say hashtag apple cinnamon toast. I'm sure that's a huge hashtag. Fewer than 1,000 posts. So maybe hashtag apple cinnamon, which is always a much bigger thing. 40,000. You know, something like that. And again, the idea here for me in my particular situation is just to have content to get people to pay attention. If I was trying to collect emails, I could do that. If I was trying to sell the rest of these videos, you know, maybe in a social media post in a social media group, I might say, hey, here's a recipe for you know, apple cinnamon toast. By the way, we have over 1,100. If you want to have access to them, you know, message me down below or something like that, and then we could sell them. So, but that's how we're going to do that here. I'm going to say ask people to share it. I'm just going to post it out. We'll see what happens with this. You know, it's probably going to get some good attention. You can see, like, we posted something this morning that has 83 comments, only 9 likes, but that's because everybody's commenting instead of liking. Usually we get a lot of likes and less comments, but today with this one, what are you starting to like less the older you get? You know, so there you go. But the video should be up here in just a few minutes because it's a very short video. Shouldn't take too long to process. And we will see. There it is. Okay, and we'll give it a like. Hey, we liked our own stuff. Why not? And so now hopefully people will share this out. Now what we're going to do is I'm actually going to switch over to myself and go back to that page. And I'm going to share it. Well, first of all, I'm going to like it and say something like, that looks delicious. Okay, there we go. Boop. And so now I'm going to share this out, and I can share this, you know, I can share it publicly directly to my timeline, or I can come in here and I can share it to my feed where I can leave a message. You know, check out this recipe from at Loganville News and Events. There it is. Okay. And then we can share that out. Now we can also share this out to some of the groups that we have as well. So for instance, I'm going to share it to a group, and the first one I'm going to share it to is the Loganville News and Events group, if I can find it in here. I could also share it to my restaurant review page. I haven't decided if I want to do that yet, though, because sometimes they get, you know, antsy and picky if it's not specifically a a restaurant. So I may or may not put it out there. They get a little finicky on me there. Let me see. Let's just type this in. And there it is. Check out this recipe. Paste that in there, and boom, there we go. And we can share that out to a few different places. Again, I may or may not share it out to the restaurant review page because, like I said, they get a little finicky sometimes if whatever we share in there is not specifically a restaurant, but we may still do it and see what happens. So there you go. So that's what I'm doing with this. And again, you've got a lot of different options with this because you get, and I don't even know if I downloaded them or not. You get the websites too. And I think I did the upsell website, but I don't think I downloaded the regular website yet because I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Yeah, it looks like I did not download the websites at all. So it does have mini websites where you can sell this from. It does have the graphics. Matter of fact, so here's the front end graphics here. As you can see, it's got all the different graphics for you to use. And that way you can post it in places if you need to. Is that okay? So that is the restaurant video Firesale PLR. With the PLR, that means that any of the ebooks, you could rebrand these. So you pull one of these up here, you could rebrand this and change this to whatever you want it to say, and you can change any of the stuff in here. The recipes, you could change the videos, you can do whatever you want on there, and then turn around and sell it, turn around and use it as content for paid clients, use it for your own content like I am. I'll be using this for some of my clients as well. But just wanted to share that with you because this is a great alternative, something fun, something people like. As you know, when it comes to social media, most businesses love to post, nothing but 100% save $5 off of this today, or come in and get one of these free when you come in. You need to put fun things that people want to share, fun things that people like, fun things that people want to, watch. And this can really change that because we do the quotes and all that stuff, which is great. And by the way, that's in our bonuses for this. But it's really good to have just straight up, something different for people. So hope you check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll be talking to you soon.